Hello, lovely family. Yay! If you're new to this channel, this is Cooking with Abba, your authentic Guinean cooking channel. Yeah, today we're going to be making Ebunuebunu with a sea twist. You know Abba doesn't spare her seafood. Fancy this year. So, yes, I'm going to be doing Ebunuebunu kontomire soup. But then the twist here is that we're going to add in a bit of seafood. So you're not going to use our land snails, you're going to use our sea snails. And you know, I've taught you how to steam and work on these on this channel. So we're going to delve in, we're going to use our kontomire. Aside our kontomire, we're going to need some turkey berry for fortification. We're going to have some habanero pepper, a bit of garlic, a bit of ginger, then some beef. If you can use some garden eggs if you'd want to, tomatoes, onion, my prawns which I've already seasoned, my sea snails which I've already seasoned and taught here. And yes, there's another twist and game changer here. I use Guinea fowl in here. We're going to use some cauliflower pepper sauce to season the Guinea fowl up and some salt. So to kick off my soup, I started with my Guinea fowl and all my proteins. I just dumped them in. Yes, so on this channel, I've taught you how to season your seafood. Then I added in my pepper sauce. I told you that for me, pepper sauce is a must-have for me. It's only in my kitchen because some days you need to move fast. Now, you could use your fresh onion, pepper, ginger, garlic blend if you want to re-season or use it in place of the cauliflower. So I just used that a bit of it and added the water, and all the veggies went together inside. Then I added in more water to help it come to boil. Now once it comes to boil, you want to pick out your veggies out and you'd want to blend them out. As you blend it, make sure that your kontomire leaves, which are clean and washed, and the bad part taken out, you could put it onto the mix so that the heat will go into it. Kontomire doesn't take too long to cook and you don't really need so much water. The heat is just going to do the trick for you. So what I do is, for it not to occupy space, once I take out the veggies, I just put the kontomire on, and then once it's softened, I add it and then go and blend everything together. So yeah, if you've not seen kontomire before, that's how kontomire looks like. And you know, that's very healthy. That's the green soup. So there's a lot of health benefits when it comes to green. I'm going to chip in a few of them as we're cooking. And like I said, you need to go and blend. So once you're done blending, you want to make sure you make the most of it as soup. So it's not stew. You can add in more water and make sure that you're able to sieve it together fine consistency and texture. It is very, very, very necessary. So as you're doing that, we want to make sure that everything comes out smooth down there. The waste you could throw it away, you could feed it to your chicken. And yeah, I'm going to add in my tomato mix as well, and then some salt to taste. So you just need to let it cook. For this, it doesn't really take too long to cook, and if you overly cook it, the color is going to go darker and darker and darker. So you want to be careful with the cooking. Now that's not supposed to mean that when it's green, just leave it like that. A lot of things can inform the color of your Ebunuebunu. The color of the leaf itself. If it's a very fresh leaf and it's very dark colored, some of the leaves are very deeply green, yeah, your soup is going to come out a bit darker. So you don't need to be worried about it. And if your soup is well cooked, it won't come out very light green like that. So don't be very worried. Just make sure you don't overly cook it out. And let me chip in a bit of benefit of the cocoyam leaves. So it's high protein, high vitamin, and high mineral content. So when it comes to this superfood, you know that the snails and the seafood. They give you a lot of calcium as well. And of course, our guinea fowl. If you've not worked with guinea fowl before, the roasted guinea fowl, you could do this with it. This gives you super nice results and taste. Why is that? You eat and eat and eat and eat and eat. Yeah, so if you've not tried Ebunuebunu with guinea fowl before, you should try it. If you've not tried Ebunuebunu with seafood before, you should try this. And if you've not tried Ebunuebunu at all before, you should try this dish out. It's super healthy, super fortified, super tasty. Oh my god, I could sit the whole day here whetting your appetite. So please do give this recipe a try. Do leave like to the fullest. Do be healthy, do be merry. Make sure you do subscribe, make sure you do share, make sure you do like. Most important, let us meet you in the next food moment with Cooking with Abba. Lots of love from my team and I. Mwah.